Okay, so I'm going to answer this question, and I sketched it, but we're looking for the area of triangle ABC. Well, they say the area of triangle ABC, and we're trying to find the cosine of angle BCP. Okay, so I think I sketched it here. And I'm going to say we know the area is 2x squared for the triangle of ABC. But any triangle also has the formula. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to set these two things equal to each other. I'm going to say 2x squared equals 1/2 base times height. And when I look at the diagram, it looks like the height is x. So I'm going to change this h to an x. So it'll be 2x squared equals 1/2 bx. Then you can cancel out an x on each side or divide by x. You'll get 2x equals 1/2 b. And then to get the base, which would be this distance here, the whole thing, you can multiply by 2. So you'll basically get 4x is the base. So that means that this whole distance is 4x. We know the distance from A to P is x, so this must be 3x from P to C. And now we need to know the cosine. What is that? The cosine of angle. We need to know the cosine of angle BCP. BCP. So that's this angle here. We need to know this cosine. Looks like we know the opposite and adjacent, so we need to figure out the hypotenuse. I just do Pythagorean theorem, but it'll be the square root of this squared plus this squared. So the square root of x squared plus 3x, that quantity squared would be 9x squared. And this would simplify to the square root of 10x squared. I can pull out the x squared, and I guess this is going to be x times the square root of 10. Is this hypotenuse BC? So now we have that. Now the cosine of this angle, you put a theta there, so I'll put a theta there. The cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it'll be 3x over x square root of 10. And then the x's will cancel. And the cosine of theta is going to be equal to 3 over the square root of 10, which appears to be your answer B here. I'm going to zoom out. Here's the whole thing if you want to pause.